want to do you know. No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter.
Jaja, big up and bless up for the sell my people. Hey, wow. Story time. So I was reading this article now. Can anyone only love reading article, let me know people. Zane, it's where this little young female now, who says she was in her 20s, early 20s. It's right now people, she says she a cry out, she feel it to her heart. Because she catch granny with her granny, she that think best friend, or granny Hosey, best friend, granny in her 60s. Zane, this young female now people, so she's from in Kingston there, so she have 9 C-sex subject, which is great, congratulations. She said people, Zane, she never grew up with her father because of reasons, because daddy left her when she in her belly with mommy and something, so she grew up with her grandparents and things, and she was a little girl. Now she in an adult stage of her life, as me tell her, early 20s people. And something what she said happened to her, she cannot believe. Because she said people, one day she comes to bums and she go out. You understand? I think she said she go Devon house, she and her friend. But she go eat some ice cream, I don't know what they go over they go do. You know what I mean? So, her friend drop her back her yard and thing. Her friend have, you know what I mean, them drive or something. But she said when she come back, she see that he has a friend who and granny a close friend too, big man too. You know what I mean, people? When she said she come, she said, what? You know, I know her friend, he said, why must you come check granny or something? She said when she comes, boom and pull the door, people. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. No granny, she see. With my best friend here. In action, people. Bursting around, she said she scream out and said, granny, what you do? She said the man jump up same time, people. She see everything pan him, private part. She said she comes up boom and she go out the door and she hold on her head and start ball. Same time the man just put on clothes and pass her, jump in her van and gone. Say granny come to her and beg and say, granny, what you just do? She say, yeah, granny say people. Oh my word. So granny say, honestly, me I tell her the truth. Me in my 60s, but me still have feelings and me want it. You understand? And it just happened. She say, honestly, Ozzy can't manage her, Ozzy can't give it to her. And it's like Ozzy finish. You know what I mean? Like Ozzy wants some other blue pill, something there, some other Vht something there. And Ozzy maybe not take them something there, so Ozzy finish people. So she said she want it and she just take it. And there now, you saw what happened now? She said, granny comes up, boom, and granny said, please don't talk. Me will treat you good, me will give you anything you want, just keep it a secret. She said, she comes up, boom. Granny step up her look a weekly allowance, put on $2,000 more upon it. Oh my roll, oh my peaches new link. So she a take money for her and granny. Oh, she a go on good. She said she comes up, boom, granny comes up, boom, because she and granny never account, you know, people, granny work more for her. So she comes up, boom, and say, granny dodge $25,000 in it. She said, what? She said, people, Ozzy do come. And boy, now she says she not send, she can't send nothing to Ozzy because she's afraid. But in the end, she said granny still a treat her good and take care. But she know in the deep say, where granny a treat her good is just to cover things. And what she has said now, people, granny even said to her, say, when the man come there, the other man come there now, she can't even stay there, she can't go and leave she and the man. Because when she says she like granny wants she and the man for do something, can no say if she and the man go do something now. Granny have to put in the money. So yo, granny, a bad granny you know people. A bad granny, but in the end as me can say, boy, this little young female, you understand her situation. It's tough on her now, but my advice to her is keep your mouth shut. That's all I can say, keep your mouth shut. You know what I mean? Nobody gonna say nothing because in the end, boy, granny wants something. And it happen. You know what I mean? You're wrong, but you know, it makes sense you go sit down and go stir up everything to make everything bad, and you know what I mean? Just you get me, but why are this world people? Are this world? Me never take it so funny. Cause a serious thing. A serious thing, you know? Serious thing. You know. So you don't know anything of yours and subscribers. I see the story and you can just leave in the comment section how you feel about the story and anything like that. You get me? I say You know what I mean? Because maybe the same look of female can read it and one of them comment that can be advice to her where she can take it to eat and you know what I mean, heal her wounds or reading anything what she have. You get me I say, but wow, not joking. Thanks for watching, man. Please do subscribe. Remember, hit the notification bell icon. As new link drop the video them, you get them. Follow her on IG, new link _ production official. Facebook, new link production. Everywhere. Insta, Twitter. Oh, that's so. Oh.
What them a go do you know? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.